Welcome to the office. Today, we are going to learn how to show gratitude and say thank you in Chinese.
This is Mark. He is new to the Shanghai office and has a lot of paperwork to organize today. Oh no! Mark dropped his files. Let's see who is nearby to help. When someone helps us out, we use a very important word. David comes over to pick up the files for Mark. Now, Mark wants to express his thanks. To say thank you, we say 谢谢.
谢谢。
谢谢. Thank you. To answer "You're welcome," we say 不客气.
不客气。
不客气. You're welcome. Mark appreciates the help, so David tells him it's no problem at all.
To say no problem, we say 没问题.
没问题。
With the files safe, they can get to work. Let's review. Thank you is 谢谢. You're welcome is 不客气. No problem is 没问题. See you next time.